Today, we will learn how to use mathematical operators in Python. In Python, these mathematical operators allow you to execute mathematical functions with integers or floats. These basic operators will be useful throughout all stages of your Python learning, from building a simple calculator to running neural networks. These mathematical operators will be the foundation for all projects that involve math and numbers. The first operator that we will learn about is the addition symbol. Just like in math, the addition symbol allows you to add two numbers together. So, for example, if we type print 5 plus 8 and run the code, we will see that the output will be 13. Before we move forward, I would also like to note that all of these operators will also work with variables, as long as their values are either ints or floats. So, if we write a equals 5 and b equals, say, 8.3, then write print a plus b, then run the code, it will return as 13.3, just like if you added the two numbers together. However, if your variables are strings, they will concatenate and not use the mathematical operator, which I talked about in a previous video. Similarly to the addition symbol, the subtraction symbol serves the same purpose as in math. So, when we write print 8 minus 5, it will output 3. Another important thing to note for mathematical operators is that the outputs can be negative. So, if we write print in parentheses 5 minus 8, then run the code, you will see that it outputted -3. The next mathematical operator is the slash. The slash signifies division. So, if we write print in parentheses 8 over 5 and run the code, it will output 1.6. The next operator is the asterisk. The asterisk means multiplication. So, when we write print in parentheses 8 asterisk 5 and run the code, it will output 40. The next operator is the double asterisk. The double asterisk signifies exponents. So, if we write print 8 asterisk asterisk 3 and run the code, it will output 512, which is equivalent to 8 times 8 times 8. The next operator is the double slash. The double slash means floor division. Floor division means that the answer will always round down to the closest integer that is smaller than the value. For example, if we write print in parentheses 8 slash slash 5 and run the code, it will output 1, which is 1.6, the answer if it was a regular division problem, rounded down to the closest smaller integer. The last operator we will learn about is the percent operator. The percent operator shows the remainder of the division problem. So, for example, if we write print in parentheses 8% 5 and run the code, this will output 3 because 8 divided by 5 is 1, remainder 3. This remainder is what is shown in the output. We can also combine multiple operators or the same operators together, but you have to keep in mind the order of operations. PEMDAS, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. You might recall this from your algebra class, but this will also take effect in Python. So, if we write print in parentheses 10 plus 4 plus 8 over 2 and run the code, the output will be 18 because the division of 8 over 2 occurs first. Then the addition occurs because division comes before addition in PEMDAS. However, if we put parentheses around the addition and write print double parentheses 10 plus 4 plus 8, then outside of the inner parentheses over 2 and run the code, the answer will be 11 because the addition within the parentheses will occur first, and then the division because operations within parentheses occur before division in PEMDAS. So, we now know about the base mathematical operators in Python and their uses. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.